HYGIENITY introduces an artificial non-stick film for toilets, urinals and wash basins. What it is. How it is a solution for today's and future problems. Let's go. Today one of the major problems faced by us is stain and scale formation. Continuous and improper usage of public and domestic toilets leads to a large amount of stain and scale formation. It looks dirty and unhygienic. Germs and bacteria are also present on the surface, but these cannot be seen by us. They are leading to a variety of diseases. To clean the toilet or urinals we use different chemicals, toilet cleaners, but these chemicals have very short-term effect. These chemicals also utilize water, a lot of water, and other resources. Also, lot of efforts. On daily basis 40% of our household water is used in our toilet alone. It's too much. This wastage of water is unaffordable in drought-prone like areas. The amount of groundwater level is also depleting day by day. What is the solution for all these problems? Here it is. The solution is our product, artificial non-stick film on toilet, urinals, and wash basins. It offers stain and scale-free surface. Provides antibacterial protection for long time. Eliminates bad odor and keeps the environment fresh. It can be applied to any type of surface having any shape. This eliminates the need of chemicals to clean toilets, urinals, and wash basins. When waste material falls on the surface, due to its non-stick properties it leads to cleaning of surface with minimum requirement of water. In this way, it saves lot of useful water. So, thanks for listening to me. If you have any doubts or queries, find us at hygienity9@gmail.com.